Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Domo and I'm back to bring you guys another video. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below because it'll help your girl out a lot, and also hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Whichever one that you want to do, just make sure you do it. But let's get right into this video. So today we have a Nike unboxing, being that you already know because you clicked this icon to watch my video. But yeah, we got the Air Max 90 Viotechs. Let's get into it. The next thing that's in the box is this black sticker. It's super fire and it says Premiere on it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I gotta do something because I'm getting a lot of stickers from a lot of these companies and I gotta find somewhere to put them. But let's get into the good shit. So I struck out on sneakers, but I was able to, as I said before, order from Premiere Boutique. Shout outs to them. And I got my sneakers and I'm happy. So here they go. These are the babies. These are my babies. I know all my sneakers is my babies, but these are fucking amazing. Like, these are fire. So these are what they look like. I'm too busy, you know, all up in the shoe. These are what they look like. The suede on these, it's kind of buttery, but it's kind of a little rough. So I won't say it's like butter soft because it's really not, but it's not a bad grade of suede. It's like a step up from buttery soft. It has a little bit of ruggedness to it, if you may. But this is what they look like. I just love the Viotech colorway. It's so bright, it's so vibrant. I really wish they would have dropped these earlier in the summertime because these would have been dead on. But you know, if you wear sneakers, you could rock anything throughout the year. But these babies would have been smoking. I mean smoking at the top of the summer. But you know, I'm gonna rock these in the fall, winter, spring, summer, whenever, because these are that fucking amazing. You got the blue toe box. You have the purple and the red siding. I just love this like emerald green color right here. This is what kills it for me, like kills it. I love this green color. Then you have the tan swoosh, the orange over the air bubble, the white midsole. Then you have the purple and orange sole. My lighting keeps going out and I don't know why. But then you have the orange and purple sole. You got the gray laces with the, let me see what color tongue it is. The tongue is also that gray. Then you have this Nike, this is cute. Then you have this Nike tab. It's right here if you could see it. And it's leather. It's like kind of big. Side of the sneaker is that a black. And then you see the Nike Air in the bottom, which is orange. I love these sneakers. Like, as I said before, I have the original, the Viotech Dunks. And I was like, yo, if they ever made another sneaker in this colorway, I'm getting it. I don't care. Like, it could have been a pair of fucking, I don't know, like a pair of fucking... I don't know any like bad Nikes. Like it could have been a pair of fucking Nike slides in this colorway. I would have copped them dead. I'm able to find these. If they still have them on Premiere's website, then I'll definitely link them down below so you can cop your pair. Nike really came through with the Viotechs this time, and I'm glad that these are home in my collection, as I said, so they could sit pretty next to my Dunks. And thank you guys for joining me in my unboxing of the Air Max 90 Viotechs. As I always say, thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate each and every one of you who actually watch my videos, thumbs up, leave comments. I really appreciate all of you guys, and I will definitely see you in my next video. So until then, you already know,